Hello beautiful! In this video, we're going to be teaching you how to hydrate oily skin. Oily skin is common and it's something that a lot of people struggle with. And yes, dehydration and oily skin can happen at the same time. What? But don't worry, we'll show you how to deal with it in this video. So make sure to watch it till the end. First things first, why do we have oily skin? Well, genetics. Yep, baby. If a family member has it, it's more likely for you to have it as well. Hormones. Beautiful and sometimes messy hormones. Sebaceous glands are under the control of a hormone called testosterone. That's probably why 2 weeks before your period, you can feel your skin become much more oily. And there are more hormonal reasons. For example, pregnancy, taking a combined oral contraceptive, menopause, and more. Climate. If you live in a hot climate, or if it is spring, summertime, or if you live in a more humid climate, your skin can produce more oil. Okay, but now, what happens when you have oily and also dehydrated skin? Quick pause. Please give some love to the like button if you are enjoying this video and subscribe to our channel to become part of the skincareaholic community. One thing you need to know, oily skin is a skin type, which means it's a habitual condition, and dehydrated skin, on the other hand, is a temporary condition of the skin. With that being said, oily skin needs hydration, and if this is so, why do we shy away from moisturizing with oils and serums? Is it true that the more moisturizing, the oilier the skins become? Dear oily skin, you don't have to shy away from moisturizing, nor do you have to avoid oils. But do you need to know what type of serum to choose from your skin? The key is to stay away from comedogenic oils. Complicated word, I know. This is what we like in cosmetics. So that we understand each other, ingredients that do not clog the pore or influence an overproduction of sebum, preventing congestion of the skin and the appearance of blackheads and possible infectious processes. A perfect example of this is our The Cure serum, because it hydrates the skin without saturating it, allowing all skin types to enjoy its multiple benefits. So, oily skin, stop fearing serums. The key is to choose one that is made for your needs. And this is all for today, beauty. Do you have any doubts? Leave your shinies aside and ask us down below. And we'll see each other in the next video. Take care. Bye.